Sarajevo and Banja, Luka, Bosnia. We are coming this weekend. We're going to be in Sarajevo Friday night at 18:30 for our open dialogue. And the next morning, we head up to Banja Luka for our Bible cart. So if you're interested in getting some of that material, we'll see you Friday night, Sarajevo, 18:30, Banja Luka, from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. We'll be at the Pjaci. If you can't make it and you'd like to just order online, I will leave the link in the description below. And then also, for our exact place and location, Friday night and Saturday morning, I'll also place that in the description at noon this Friday. If you're interested in reading the most popular Bible, the most read Bible in the world, then you'll want this Bible, the King James Bible in Serbian. Check it out. We'll see you there this Friday, February 13th, 18:30, Sarajevo. This Saturday, February 14th, Banja Luka, Bosnia. God bless. Vidimo se tamo.